Let's use your phone's password to unlock your notes. Now, if you've locked your notes and you want to unlock them, all you have to do is enter the phone password for your iPhone. And I'll show you how to do that. First, let's hop into your settings here and we'll scroll down until we find notes and tap on that. And then we will tap on the password here midway down. And you can see, depending on where your notes are, either on your iCloud or on your phone, you're going to want to choose one of those. I'm going to choose on my phone here. And now it says choose a password method, and I'm going to choose use device password. You can always choose custom password if you wanted to use that custom password, but I'm going to use a device password. And I'm going to go to iCloud and do the same thing. So now if I head over to my notes and this note is locked, all I have to do is hit view note. It will use my Face ID, but if I have that turned off, all I will have to do is type in the password for my specific device to unlock it, and it will unlock that note as well. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.